In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apollo.io for LinkedIn outreach in just a few simple steps. If you're looking to step up your outreach game on LinkedIn and get better results with fewer headaches, you'll want to stick around. Apollo.io is a powerful sales intelligence platform that can take your LinkedIn outreach to the next level. It helps you find accurate contact information, reach out to potential leads, and streamline your entire sales process. And the best part, you can use it for free. Check the first link in the description for an exclusive trial. To get started with LinkedIn outreach using Apollo, the first thing you'll need to do is connect your LinkedIn profile to Apollo. Apollo allows you to target your ideal prospects on LinkedIn based on things like job title, industry, location, and company size. The platform provides a ton of filters, so you can refine your search to find the exact type of leads you're after. Once you've set up your account and connected your profile, it's time to use Apollo's advanced search features. This is where the real magic happens. You can filter through thousands of potential contacts in seconds, pulling out people who are most likely to be interested in your services or products. Now, when you found the right leads, Apollo helps you craft personalized outreach messages that are more likely to get responses. Unlike other platforms, Apollo's email and LinkedIn templates are optimized for higher engagement, saving you time while boosting your success rate. Next, you can automate your outreach. This is huge for efficiency. Apollo allows you to set up automated follow-ups on LinkedIn. It can send out connection requests, then send personalized messages to your new connections, all while keeping everything on autopilot. That means less time spent manually following up and more time spent on things that matter. But don't stop there. Apollo integrates directly with LinkedIn so it can track the results of your outreach efforts. You can see which messages are getting the best responses, which leads are engaging with your content, and which ones need a little more attention. This lets you adjust your strategy in real time, optimizing your outreach for maximum effectiveness. And here's a pro tip. Apollo also allows you to enrich your lead data. If you're not sure if someone on LinkedIn is the right fit, Apollo will give you additional context, such as company details, past job experience, and social media profiles. This way, you can tailor your approach even further to resonate with the person you're reaching out to. Before we wrap up, I have to remind you, this platform is available for free with an exclusive offer for you through the link in the description. This gives you a chance to explore Apollo.io without any risk and see if it's right for your outreach strategy. You'll get access to a range of features that will instantly improve the way you reach out on LinkedIn. So there you have it. Using Apollo.io for LinkedIn outreach is one of the most powerful ways to make your outreach more effective, automate repetitive tasks, and get better results. Don't forget to check the link below to get your exclusive extended trial and get started on revolutionizing your LinkedIn outreach today.